What's going on, you guys? How's everybody doing? We're going to be building an application for artists, venues, and promoters that is effectively called Analog. And I just wanted to introduce what the hell's going on this channel and what I'll be doing to, I don't know, kind of promote some of the technologies I love in an industry that I love. And hopefully at the end of the day, ship a product to the wild that is actually useful for the industry where I make all of my money. So I'm super excited. So a little background about me is 10 years on the road as a tour manager. Started as a merch guy, worked my way up to guitar and drum tech and stuff, and then eventually was managing some of the early mid 2000s emo bands. Eventually left that industry to work in the youth culture space. Did that for about 7 years, and then for the last 7 years or so I've just been doing live event promotion and running events anywhere from 500 to 5,000 people all up and down the East Coast and Midwest and all of that shit. So at the end of the day, what I found in those spaces is there's not a single collaborative communication tool that really removes the chaos of live events. So there are individual tools for tour managers, there's individual tools for venues, and there's individual tools for promoters. But I'm looking for cross-pollination of all of them, and I wanted to kind of make a single source for truth for elevating production on every event that runs out of any of those businesses, right? So if you're on tour as a band, your 60, 50 show tour, you have access to every day and putting on the best production from your lens there, and the different cities you'll be in. Whereas as a venue, you got the same 365 available shows every year, but they're all in the same the same space. So there's some different needs there, but there definitely can be some communication between the band on the road and the static venue. So anyway, I'm going to be calling this project Analog. I don't know if that name's going to stick, but we'll see where it goes. But just when I refer to the application from now on, it's going to be called Analog. If you guys got cool names, fucking throw them at me. I'm totally down to listen to those. And then, that's kind of it. So the two products that I've chosen to kind of feature in this series is going to be Nuxt and Supabase. So really, this is going to be a series made by a beginner, 1000% made by a beginner, that will tackle kind of beginner and learning issues, but also move into those intermediary issues and stuff. When it comes to Nuxt, I chose it just because it's the framework that speaks to me. I know a lot of people, why not React? Why not SvelteKit? Why not Astro? Why not it's just, I've tried them all, and this is the one I like using the best. So that's where I'm at with that. And then Supabase 2, it just provides all the storage and database and authentication pieces that I'm looking for. Built on top of Postgres, but I've really liked what they've been doing with their product lately. And that's going to be boring to anybody in the live events industry, but that might be something exciting in the engineering and software development space. So there'll be some deep dives on some things that I haven't been able to find answers for in my searching or my chat GPTing or anything like that. But that's it. So this is a boring introductory video. I'd be surprised if anybody even sees it. But again, this is going to be an accountability piece for me, and I'm really excited to get started and really build something of meaning into a space that I really love. So that's it. Let's get going.